ngoba abanye bayokhala ukuthi kube kuyinini ke mhlaba ekhala asazi, kodwa lona iqiniso lithi bayogcina bekhalile. Uyabona labantu esikhala ngabo thina esithi bangama elite bayasixhaphaza, basebenzela umbuso wobumnyama, bayasigqilaza, bangama ambassadors e-Matrix, konke lokho esikhala ngakho, basidlisa ukudla oku-unhealthy, bayafuna si-reincarnate, yonke le mess ekhona. The all in a mission, it is the infinite living mind. The all is in all and it's controlling everything. So bona, they are not the exception, they are part of the all. So ithi into bona basebenzela ama entities aye advancile spiritual, kodwa ayitshela ukuthi asile, aseyaphuca amandla ayekade enikezwe wona. Athi mayiphucwa lawo mandla akade nikezwe wona, ngoba aseyibona ukuthi wona phela aseyikona konke, aseyileyanto ephezulu ekhekheni, esebuyiselwe esigabeni esingemumva. Laba abangama elite basebenzela ama entities a-advanced spiritual, kodwa sesebenzela amandla obumnyama ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi ngenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ngizothini? Yabona uhambo elude kakhulu. That is why ngithi beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Lude kakhulu uhambo, yabo. Let me show you something. All roads are leading upwards from physical to spiritual. Iyala yonke into. Uma kuukuthi khona osebenza eyali yena, at some point lo muntu by force kumele ukuthi abuyelele emuva, because the all is here, it is not here. In fact, this is where everything started and this is where everything will end, because the main mission ukuthi everything should go back to the all. I'll make a video at some point ukuthi how did the all mentally created all this universe. Mentally, how did things came about, like a mental conceptualization of what happened. The only ikude because it has no form, shape and nothing. It is just ayinagama the all. That is actually the all. Then the all iba nama principles of creator ukuthi the all njoba the all being nje izo kuthiwa kwenza njani leyanto leya ipower ukuyini nali igama lesingisi lingibalekele ukudecentralize ipower, decentralize ipower ngokwe hierarchy ukuthi lokho khona okuseduze kwe the all kube khona okungaphansi, kube khona okungaphansi, kube khona okungaphansi, yabo. So the more you advance spiritual, the more you get closer to the all. The all yilo kubiza ngoGod wena. The more you get closer to the all, yabo, the more when you advance spiritual, the more when unga advance spiritual ubuyele emuva, is the more you become denser and denser and physical, yabo. So nansi into ebengifuna ukuqaphelisa yona ukuthi abanye bayokhala. Yabona uma ngabe kuukuthi the grossest thing la sikhuluma ngani ngematter, ekugcineni sikhuluma ngematter. So from here, this is the last point of it, kumele kubuyele back emuva. Uma ngabe kuukuthi into ifike yathi yaba ama-minerals, ake ngithi khona ama-minerals, angithi yazi khona ama-minerals, ake ngithi bese kuba khona ama-plants, bese kuba khona ama-human, yabo. La uhambo lolu, before ama-human kube khona ama-animal, ama-souls njalo wonke lawo, these are souls. Mineral soul, plant soul, animal soul, and then human soul. Advancement and development. So this is where we come from. Njengoba sesila, this is where we come from. So the road, that is why I say the road is leading upwards. Ngala ubani physical matter. Akho ke phela ukukhulu. Physical la matter. Ngala ubani spiritual njengoba ngishilo. Uma uyali. So njengoba si advance nje nathi usi advancela okunye sogcina nathi seyini seyama entities athile ama deities athile khona okunye okuphambi kwethu okadvancile okuke nabo kwaba nje ngathi. So mangabe ngithi ke mina abanye bayokhala ngisho ukuthi kunama entities adlulile konke la advance lento ungacabanga ukuthi ithatha millions and millions of years uyibona nje ukuthi indlela ihambe ngani. It takes millions and millions and millions ukuthi indlela ibuyele back to the all. Hey, it will take I don't know. So njoba si advance kanjena ke njoba la kunama levels akhona la, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7. Ukuthi level 6 and level 7 are human. Abantu aba advanced kakhulu labo spiritual ba advanced nje labo bani lapho. Ngiyangizwa nje umuntu athi akusabuyi mina la kwa earth. Uyazi khona ukuthi ukulevel bani nje ukuthi awusabuyi ka earth nje. Uyazi usikontact you superhuman, uyazi ukontact you overman. Yeah. Alright. Lezi zinto ezingama entities ezingawona ama human. Ezingama living energies, ezingama entities. Lezo zinto lezo zabe sezinye sezizitshela ukuthi zisile. Zabe seyiphuca amandla nelevel ezazikuyona. Zaseyisebenzela umbuso obumnyama. Yabo? Zasebenzela umbuso ogcina izinto ziyale, zi-opposite, ziyale. Basebenzela umbuso kushuthi mental polarization yabo yeza ngala. The mental polarization ingala. Eyezinto zazikuphi ezazi advance ile spiritual. That is why uthola ukuthi they are causing chaos. They want us not to focus on the spiritual attainment. They are focusing here on the physical. So they make sure they keep people here. People are reincarnating. Those are entities. Yabo? Those are living entities. The fallen angels. So those fallen angels, they are having people about those elites, because they don't belong here. Lento abayenzayo ukusetshenziswa ama fallen angel, ama negative entities that are working for against the spiritual attainment. Basazokhala labo uma ngabe i-mental transmutation yabo sekumele ukuthi ibuyele ngala ngoba kwamanje ingala. This is where they are. They still have to go back ngoba spiritual attainment zimbili indlela zokusebenzisa. Ungasebenzisa ukuthi ku-advance abantu, ungasebenzisa ukuthi abantu be-descend. Yabo, zimbili indlela. So if ukuthi wena usebenzisa ngale ndlela ukuthi abantu be-descend, you still need to polarize ukuthi abantu beze kanjani be-ascend. Usebenze in unison with the all. So laba ke basazokhala ke laba. Basazokhala laba mase kumele bepolarize, basazophuca yonke lento abanayo nalento abayitshela ukuthi bayiyona. Isazopherisha yonke into victory ekubona abayi-attainile through spiritual enlightenment le abanayo abayisebenzisa against us. Basazophuca wonke ama-powers, basazophuca yonke into bese kumele ukuthi ba-reverse from this polarization all the way. That is why kwenye video ngathi labantu laba wena usazoba phambili, usazo-advance kakhulu kunabo, usazokwazi ukwenza izinto bona bangakwazi ukuzenza. Abokuqala kuba bokugcina kuba bokuqala. Yes. Wena usazoba advance ube yi-entity ethile, entity engaphili ku-spiritual domain, kodwa ezokwazi ukucontrola bona. Kushuthi osibani banyana laba ogama kalibizwe ngeke ngibasho la ama-elite nalaba bonke laba nje. Ngifuna ukubiza igama lamuntu. Usazoba yinto wena ezokwazi ukuba controller ngale ndlela abakucontroller ngayo. Kube kuwena ukuthi wena you want to help them to ascend or you want to play with them, just like imoya nje. Le moya nje iyayikhethela ukuthi ifuna ukwenzani kubantu. Nawe usazoba nalawo mandla bona bebe ngemuva.